Bitcoin price has been struggling to break out of this bull flag for the past few days, which is causing a lot of people to wonder, is the pump over and can we expect a major pullback? We're going to be discussing that in today's video, so make sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell for notifications because we are bringing you the juiciest and most timely Bitcoin updates here on YouTube. I have been bullish on Bitcoin since $24,800, which is why I took the long trade from $24,800. This setup was given in advance in the Casper Crew VIP Discord, and even as we consolidate within this local range, I've maintained my bullish bias, which is why I'm still holding this long trade from the bottom of the local range, the setup that we gave in the Casper Crew VIP Discord. By the way, if you want to join the community, you can go to jasoncaspertrading.com, go ahead and click the link to join the VIP Casper Crew, not a signals group, but a great educational group. Also, if you want to take advantage of the volatility, trading these markets, longing and shorting, check out MEXC, by far the best deal you can possibly get on fees. 0% limit order fees, 33% off market order fees, up to a $9,000 deposit bonus. I highly recommend you take advantage of this, as well as my new favorite exchange, ZOOMEX, which I am trading on right now. Great for people in the United States who do not want to deal with a VPN or KYC. This is a centralized exchange and a decentralized exchange from the same platform. Links in the description and the pinned comment. Bitcoin has been consolidating in this range, looking like a bull flag since $24,800. And the overall context of this range, in my opinion, still remains bullish. And here's why. Whenever we establish a sideways range, we want to take a look at the highs of the range and the lows of the range, because these are going to be the two major areas where we can look for a potential high probability setup. When we came down to the low of this range, we can see that we did so with very bullish signs. In fact, as the price was getting lower and lower and lower, into the key area of support. This is the long setup we were looking at in the Casper Crew VIP Discord. Right from the exact level, we were seeing very bullish divergences on market Cipher B. We're seeing the money flow and the momentum waves get higher as the price is getting lower. We can see that the purple money flow is crossing up into the blue as price is getting lower, as well as the momentum waves getting higher, strangely resembling the breasts of Sam Bankman-Fried. We can see here the money flow on the memories getting higher, as well as the niplets getting higher as the price is getting lower. When you see this happening at the bottom of a range, it means it's very highly likely that we're going to get a movement back up to the top of the range, which we're currently at right now. But as you can see, yesterday, we actually got a little bit of a rejection after a liquidity grab of the high that we put in right here on Friday, June 30th. And we're starting to get a little bit of a pullback from right here, which actually did make for a nice little short entry. As you can see, we've already hit a nice TP. Stop loss is at the entry, so this is a risk-free position. But I want to talk about what happened when we got this rejection and why I still believe price can come higher. When we put in this high yesterday, we did not have bearish divergences printing on market Cipher B. We made a higher high with a higher momentum wave as well, and we can see that money flow over time is getting thicker on the 1 hour time frame. In addition, from the time that we came in and we made this low on Friday, this long trade that I'm currently still in right now, you can see that we've actually established bullish market structure. We made a high, a higher low, and now we're making a higher high. So market structure is still bullish. We've taken out this previous high, meaning that we've officially made a higher high than the high that we made on Friday, June 30th. In my opinion, that is bullish market structure. And even if we do get a pullback here, we can look for support at the following places. Number one, the retest of the value area high of the range, $30,700. This is going to be the first major key zone of support, which if lost would open the doorway for a move all the way back down to the low of the range, around that $30,000 area. But if this is held, in my opinion, it would be a bullish breakout and retest after officially making a higher high on the medium-term timeframes, in which case I would actually look for another move up to around $32,500, where I do have my next take profit set on this long trade right here. However, I do want to give one word of caution. When we came up to this level and we put in that first high, we got to move down, then we came up and we put in a lower high. And when we take a look at what was happening on the order flow chart, we can actually see longs getting absorbed by bigger players in the market. As the price continued to make lower highs, we could see the CVD was getting higher. This is telling us that retail traders are longing, especially when this happens with a big increase of open interest. When price is getting lower, but more people are longing than shorting, that's telling us that there are whales up here, right? I'm going to draw a picture of a little whale. Vroom, vroom. It's not the best picture in the world. It looks like a sock. there are whales actually filling up bigger short orders with the retail traders who are FOMOing long at the top, and this results in a move to the downside, which is why I did take a little short. So the two major levels that we need to be aware of right now are going to be number one, $30,700. This is basically a retest. If we come down to this area and we lose it, it opens up the door for much more downside. However, if we hold it, that is very bullish because it looks like a breakout with a higher high, just coming back down for a retest. The other major level that we need to be aware of is the overall high of this range at around $31,500, because if we come up to this level, we may very well see market Cipher beat giving us bearish divergences with the money flow getting lower on the 1 hour time frame, looking like just the opposite of what we saw down here when we came to the low of the range with the bullish divergences. So those are the two major levels. Pretty much this zone of price action today is all that really matters for me. If we lose this, I'm probably going to be closing out some of the local long trades that I have. And if we hold this, well, I'm going to be looking to hit my next take profits at around $33,000, a very key level for Bitcoin. Because again, guys, so that we don't miss the forest for the trees, the overall context of this chart is bullish. This is the 12-day time frame, and we have been making higher highs and higher lows since November. And our next major target is going to be around that $33,000 level in keeping with this uptrend. And if we can reclaim that, well, I've got my eyes set on 36K. That's going to be it for today's video. Make sure to like, subscribe, click the bell for notifications. May God bless you all in the name of Jesus, Yeshua, the Messiah. Even if you are not religious, I still pray you and your family are super blessed. And I will see everybody in the next video. Peace!